Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don encourage well-meaning Nigerians to support NGO, particularly Lions Club, for their humanitarian service and societal development. Oga Shaibu talked this one when he hosts executive of Lions International District 404A4 Nigerian Edo Lions Club for Benin City. Comrade Shaibu contacts say make everybody join body with the Lions Club for the free eye treatment wey they don't plan to do, and say the project will give the public access to take care of their sight. A constant talk say im get good understanding of humanitarian services, and e dey clear say government no go fit do everything alone, and say dem need NGO and other ogbonge individuals for grassroots to reduce social tension, and say im go personally support them for their activities.
And also to thank all of you because the organization is purely humanitarian, and at this time of our own economy in Nigeria, a lot of organizations such as yours, actually their role is needed seriously now because the hardship that people face is something that you cannot imagine. I can tell you because I am on the streets. I relate with the street people. I am there with them, and I can tell you the situation is really bad. With men and women of honor like you and Lions Club, the role of Lions Club is very, very much needed at this time. And I'm happy that we are dealing with the issue of health, sight for all. This is one sickness that can be dealt with, can be cured. But a lot of our people are being blind for lack of care, and some of them do not know that some of these ailments can be cured. They are not something that is impossible. Life is life of service, life of doing what God asks us to do. And I always preach to my close friends and those that God has uplifted that what we owe the society is service. And if you call God every day and you don't do His will, then you have problem. And the greatest will that we have to do of God is loving our neighbor as ourselves. And that means if you are able to eat 3 times a day, and your neighbor is not able to eat once a day, then you have to cut short your 3 times a day and share for your neighbor to be able to eat. And that is the time we are in our country. And Lion Club obviously represents that.
Edo State Coordinator Lion Club Doris Ken Otokiti Kontok say the club na non-profit making organization wey dem set up to create and foster spirit of understanding among different people of the world, and say may Oga Shaibu join body with them for their flag off of humanitarian project and free eye treatment wey go start October 17, 2023.
Excellency, flag of this project. Your Excellency, sir, we are pleased to inform you that Edo region will be producing a district governor for the very first time in the society. Over the years, Lions in Edo State have spent millions of naira in restoring preventable blindness to members of the public. Last year, precisely in 2022, we were able to perform free cataract surgeries for 32 members of the public, in addition to 1,000 free reading glasses donated to same.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.